జరుగు కొంచెం Present students, this is most important 4 marks. What is given in this problem? In a garden, there are some bees and some flowers. In a garden, there are some bees and some flowers means let the number of bees that we have to take x, and also we have to take let the number of flowers that we have to take y. What is given in the statement? If one bee sits each on flower we have to take y, b we have to take x. If one bee sits on each flower, then one bee will be left. అంటే ఫ్లవర్ మీద ఒక తేనెటీగ వాలినప్పుడు ఇంకొక తేనెటీగ అనేది లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోతుంది, వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద గివెన్ కండిషన్ మీన్స్ ఇఫ్ one bee sits on each flower, I'm sorry, each flower, then one bee will be left. Is given in this one. If one bee sits each on flower, then one bee will be left. That means number of bees we have to take x. One bee will be sits on each flower. Each flower we have to take y. Then one bee will be left. One bee will be left means x minus 1. Minus 1 becomes this side that we have to take plus 1. That is x is equal to y plus 1. Then this we have to written as x minus, I'm sorry, y is equal to x minus 1, we have to write. Also given another statement, if two bees sit on each flower, one flower will be left. How to write another statement? If two bees sit on each flower, one flower will be left. Listen carefully this one. Two bees sits on each flower. ఒక ఫ్లవర్ పైన టూ బీస్ రెండు తేనెటీగలు వాలినట్లయితే ఒక ఫ్లవర్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుతుంది అంటారు. దట్ మీన్స్ here what we have to take bees means bees we have to take x. Two bees will be left on each flower means that is 2 into, okay, one flower will be left. Once again I will explain. If two bees sit on each flower, that means bees we have to take x. Two bees means that we have to take 2 into, one flower will be left means that we have to take y minus 1. Then that implies this we have to written as x is equal to 2y minus 1. We have to write their equation. What we have to write their equation? Linear equations in two variable means x minus y minus 1 becomes 0, as well as this also I have to written as x minus 2y plus 2 becomes 0. Two equations as follows. Finally we have to find the number of bees and find the number of flowers by using a graphical method. We have to find out this one. First we have to write the coefficient of y. That means first one is x minus y minus 1 becomes 0, minus y becomes this side. That means y is equal to x minus 1. We have to take x, y is equal to x minus 1, as well as we have to write x comma y. Otherwise we have to take the second condition, minus 2y becomes this side, 2y is equal to x plus 2, as well as y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. We have to write their y. Here we have to take x, y becomes x plus 2 by 2, and also finally this we have to written as x comma y. We have to take some x values. Finally we have to find out the value of y. Finally we have to write the order pair of x comma y. First we have to take, let x is equal to 0. Let x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 minus 1 becomes minus 1. This we have to written as 0 comma minus 1. After we have to take let x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 minus 1 becomes 0. This we have to written as 1 comma 0. After we have to take let x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus 1 becomes 1. That means the value is 2 comma 1. After we have to take let x is equal to 3, 3 minus 1 becomes 2, that we have to written as 3 comma 2. Finally we have to take let x is equal to 4, 4 minus 1 becomes 3, that is the value is 4 comma 3. After we have to take some values in this one. Here first we have to take let is x is equal to 0, 0 plus 2 by 2 becomes 1, that we have to written as 0 comma 1. And also let x is equal to 1, 1 plus 2 by 3, that means 1.5. We have to take some more value. Let x is equal to 2, 2 plus 2 by 2 means 4 by 2 becomes 2, that we have to written as 2 comma 2. After we have to take let x is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 by 2 means 6 by 2 becomes 3, that is the value 4 comma 3. After we have to take the next value is 5, 5 becomes 5 plus 2, 7 by 2 means 3.5. Okay, ఎందుకంటేనా డెసిమల్ వాల్యూస్ ఎందుకు తీసుకోకూడదు అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం లో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బీస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or and so on. Okay, does not we have to take 1.5, 2.5, 3.5 అలా ఉండవు. బీస్ అనేటివి నెంబర్స్ అడిగినప్పుడు 1 to 1 so on చెప్పాలి కానీ డెసిమల్ వాల్యూస్ లో ఉండవు. That means does not we have to take 5, after we have to take let x is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 by 2 becomes 8 by 2. 8 by 2, that is the value is 4. That value is 6 comma 4. We have to draw the graph. We have to draw the graph. We will observe the x coordinate values. Here the x coordinate values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and as well as 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, all are below 7 means we have to take on x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit we have to take. That means here we have to take this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well as we have to take the negative x-axis is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. We have to take the value positive x-axis and negative x-axis. After we have to take y-axis -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the values are below 5 that we have to take. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This we have to take -1, -2, -3, -4. Plot the points in the given graph. Here the first point is 0, -1. Here x coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in y-axis. This is -1 means it is the negative y-axis. That we have to take the value 0, -1. Also I have to take next 1, 0. Where y coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in x-axis. That we have to take. This is the value. Already we will observe in this one. This is x. This is x dash. This is y. This is y dash. We will observe in this second point 1, 0. Y coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in x-axis. This is the point 1, 0. After we have to take next one is 2, 1. On x-axis we have to take 2. Y-axis we have to take 1. That is plotted at 2, 1. After we have to take the x-axis is 3. Y-axis must be 2. That means this is the point is 3, 2. This is plotted in this place. Finally we have to take the next one is 4, 3. On x-axis we have to take 4. Y-axis we have to take 3. This must be taken in this place. That is the point is 4, 3. We have to draw a line. The name of given line is x minus y minus 1 is becomes 0. After we have to take some more points in this equation. Here first one is 0, 1. Where x coordinate must be 0 means it is lies in y-axis. This is the point 0, 1. After we have to take 2, 2. On x-axis and y-axis we have to take same point. That is this is the point 2, 2. After we have to take the point 4, 3. This is 4. This is 3. Plotted in this place. Already plotted in this equation x minus y minus 1 becomes 0 and also plotted in second equation x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0 and also the final one is 6, 4. X-axis we have to take 6, y-axis we have to take 4. This is 6, this is 4 plotted in this place. That means we have to draw a line. We will observe in this one. We have to draw in this line. The name of given equation is x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. We will observe in this both equations, both will be plotted at the points 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3 means this is the coordinate values x comma y. That means x comma y we have to take 4 comma 3. By the problem, the number of b's we have to take x. That means that is the number of bees where x is equal to 4, and also the number of flowers that must be equal to y, where y is equal to 3. This is asking in this problem. Okay students, this is most important for 4 marks. Now I am going to next problem. Example 5, this is also most important for 4 marks, so many times asking in public examination. Listen, what is given in this problem? The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 32 meters, and also if the length is increased by 2 meters and the breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area of the plot remains same. అంటే one meaning ఏంటంటే first perimeter of a rectangular plot is 32 meters given. That means perimeter of a rectangular we have to take 2 of L plus B is equal to 32 meters given. And also if the length is increased by 2 meters and breadth is decreased by 1 meter, length అనేది 2 meters increase అయినా and also breadth అనేది 1 meter decrease అయినా దాని యొక్క area remains same. Area is same, and also find the length and breadth of a rectangular plot. Okay. Let the length of a rectangular plot, length and breadth of a rectangular plot are x and y respectively, What is the condition given in this problem? The perimeter of a rectangular plot is equal to 32 meters. What is given in this problem means the perimeter of a rectangular plot is 32 meters. Already we know that one formula. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 of L plus B. 2 of L plus B is must be equal to 32, where L we have to take X, after B we have to take Y, that we have to take 2 of X plus Y is must be equal to 32, then that implies X plus Y is equal to 16. This is make equation number 1. After we have to take what is the condition given? If the length is increased by 2 meters and the breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area of the plot remains the same. Listen, length is increased by 2 meters, that I have to take L plus 2 into, and breadth is decreased by 1 meter, that means B minus 1, then the area of the flat remains the same. That means area of the flat remains the same means area will be same. That's why I have to take area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. I have to multiply both of them. L into B becomes LB, plus into minus minus, L into 1 L, plus 2 into B 2B, plus into minus minus, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, that becomes LB. You'll observe both LB and LB will be cancelled, minus becomes that side, both we have to written as L minus 2B plus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find out the values. We have to find, where L is must be X and also B is must be Y, that we have to take X plus 2 into Y minus 1 is must be equal to xy minus X plus 2Y minus 2 becomes xy, where xy and xy both will be cancelled. This value becomes that side, x minus 2y plus 2 becomes 0. This is make equation number 2. We have to find out both values. Finally, find out their length and breadth of a rectangular plot. We will observe where x plus y becomes 16, where y is equal to 16 minus x. Y is equal to 16 minus x. After we have to take x comma y is equal to something value. We have to take some table. If we have to consider some value, then y value is find out. So first we have to take, let x is equal to 6. That means we have to take x is equal to 0 also. X is equal to 0, that will be extended. There is no space means that we have to take x is equal to 6. Y is equal to 16 minus 6 becomes 10. That is plotted point is 6 comma 10. After I have to take x is equal to 8. 16 minus 8 becomes 8. That we have to take 8 comma 8. After I have to take x is equal to 10. 16 minus 10 becomes 6. That is the given point is 10 comma 6. After I have to take x is equal to 12. 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. That we have to plot at 12 comma 4. After I have to take the value that x is equal to 14. 16 minus 14 becomes 2. That we have to plot at 14 comma 2. We have to consider the second equation, x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0, where 2y is equal to x plus 2. After that y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. We have to write this one, x, y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. After we have to write the plotted point x comma y. We have to take some values of x, then y value is considered. Here first we have to take, let x is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 by 2, 8 by 2 becomes 4. That we have to name it as 6 comma 4. After we have to take x is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2. That becomes 5. Name it as 8 comma 5. After we have to take x is equal to 10. 12 by 2 means 6. That is name it as 10 comma 6. After we have to take x is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 by 2 means 14 by 2, that becomes 7. This is the given point is 12 comma 7. After we have to take x is equal to 14. 14 plus 2, 16 by 2 becomes 8. This is the name as 14 comma 8. Finally, we have to draw a graph. We know that both equations points will be considered in this equation. We have to plot the graph. Name it as x. This is x dash. This is y. After the name of this one is y dash. We'll observe the x-axis coordinate values are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 as well as 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That means we have to take on x-axis. On x-axis 1 centimeter will be take 2 units. We'll observe in y-axis. Here the consider the values 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here also I have to take on y-axis 1 centimeter will take 2 units. This is the scale of given graph. We have to plot the points. First we have to take 2, 4, 2, 4. After we have to take 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We have to write there negative x-axis values. This becomes minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14. After that minus 16. We have to take the values of y-axis. In y-axis, the highest value is considered as only for 10. We have to take this is for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. After we have to take minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. We have to plot the graph in this given point. The first one is 6 comma 10. X coordinate we have to take 6. After y coordinate we have to take 10. This is 6. This is 10. Must be plotted in this place. X axis we have to take 6. Y axis we have to take 10. This is plotted 6 comma 10. And also plotted the point 6 comma 10. After we have to take 8 comma 8. X axis will take 8. Y axis will take 8. This is name it as, this is the point 8 comma 8. After we'll take 10 comma 6. This is 10. This is 6. Name it as 10 comma 6. After we have to take 12 comma 4. This is 12. This is 4. Name it as 12 comma 4. Finally we have to take 14 comma 2. This is 14. This is 2. Name it as 14 comma 2. Have to draw the given lines with a point. The name of the given line is x plus y minus 16 is must be equal to 0. After we have to take remaining point 6 comma 4. This is must be 6 comma 4. After we have to take 8 comma 5. This is 8. This is 5. 5 is lies between 4 and 5. This is 8 comma 5. After we have to take 10 comma 6. This is 10. This is 6. Already 10 comma 6 plotted in previous points. Also this is a repeated point we have to take. And also remaining one is 12 comma 7. This is 12. 7 is lies between 6 and 7. That 6 and 8. That we have to take 12 comma 7. After we have to take the point 14 comma 8. This is 14, this is 8, this is must be we have to take 14 comma 8. Can be plotted the points by using a scale. Then the given intersecting point is 10 comma 6. In this problem, we have to find out their length and breadth of a rectangle. Here, consider the problem length and breadth of a rectangular plot are x and y respectively. First, we have to take the length of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle L is equal to x meters. We have to take at the given point x comma y is what is given means what is find means 10 comma 6 where x must be equal to 10, y must be equal to 6. That is the length of a rectangle is equal to 10 meters. After we have to take the breadth of a rectangular plot. Rectangular plot B is equal to 6 meters. This is asked in this problem. I will explain next one. Now I am going to exercise 4.1. First section. What is asking in this one? By comparing the ratios A1 by A2, comma B1 by B2, comma C1 by C2. Find out whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point, comma, or parallel or are coincident lines. First one is 5x minus 4y plus 8 becomes 0. Second one is 7x plus 6y minus 9 becomes 0. After we have to take the second one is 9x plus 3y plus 12 is must be equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. After we have to take third one is 6x minus 3y plus 10 is must be equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is must be equal to 0. In these three equations, we have to find out their lines are parallel lines, are intersecting lines, are also coincident lines. These types of problems are asked for 2 marks problems. Listen. First one is 5x plus of minus 4 into y plus 8 becomes 0. This we have to compare with a1x plus B1y plus C1 is must be equal to 0. We'll observe in this one. A1 must be 5, B1 must be minus 4, C1 must be equal to 8. And also 7x plus 6y plus of minus 9 becomes 0. This also compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. There a2 equal to 7, b2 equal to 6, c2 is equal to minus 11. First, I have to compare the ratios of A1 by A2, B1 by B2. After, I have to take C1 by C2. First, I have to take A1 by A2 is must be equal to 5 by 7. After, I have to take B1 by B2 is equal to minus 4 by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3. And finally, we have to take C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by minus 9, that is equal to minus 8 by 9. Here there are three conditions. First one is A1 by A2 does not is equal to B1 by B2. When the given condition is does not satisfied, now I am going to next condition. That condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 does not equal to C1 by C2. This condition also not satisfied. Finally, now I am going to last condition. That condition is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Is always does not is equal to B1 by B2. Hence satisfies this condition A1 by A2. That means 5 by 7 does not is equal to minus 2 by 3. We have to write this condition. 5 by 7 is always does not is equal to minus 2 by 3. But A1 by A2 does not is equal to B1 by B2 means given equations has unique solution. Given equation has unique solution. Given equation is unique solution means the graph unique solution means it is a consistent. When it is a consistent and also it has unique solution, so I am sorry. Given equation has a consistent. Given equation has a consistent and it has a unique solution. And also the graph of given equations are intersecting lines. The graph of given equations are intersecting lines. So I am going to second one. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. This we have to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is must be equal to 0. Where a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 12. After we have to take 18x plus 6y plus 24 is must be equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is must be equal to 0. First I have to find out a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18, that is equal to 1 by 2. After we have to take b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, that also 1 by 2. After we have to take the next value is c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24, that is equal to 1 by 2. We'll observe a1 by a2 is also 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is also 1 by 2. That means that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means both coefficients are equal. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then given equations are consistent. Given equations are consistent. Given equations are consistent and also it has it has it also consistent and also it is a unique solution. It has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions and also the graph of given equations, the graph of given equations are coincident lines. Coincident lines. This is asked in this given problem. We'll observe third problem. 6x plus of minus 3 into y plus 10 becomes 0. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is must be equal to 0. And also second one is 2x plus minus 1 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is must be equal to 0. Here we have to compare the coefficients of ratios. First we have to take a1 by a2 is equal to a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2, that becomes 3. After we have to take b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by 1, that is equal to 3. And also c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. We will observe a1 by a2 becomes 3 as well as b1 by b2 becomes 3. Here both will be equal and also it is does not equal to c1 by c2. Why? Because of c1 by c2 is 10 by 9. Here we have to written as a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 does not is equal to c1 by c2. Hence it satisfies the given condition. Why? Because of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is must be equal to 3 and does not is equal to c1 by c2, where c1 by c2 is 10 by 9. Then given equations are inconsistent. Given equations are inconsistent and it has parallel lines and it has no solution. There is no solution of given equation means the graph of given equations are parallel lines. That means the graph of given equations are parallel lines. This is asked in given problem. So many related problems are discussed in example problems. Then in exercise 4.1, second section will be homework. We have to given some equations. Then given equations are consistent and consistent or inconsistent. If it is consistent, find the solution. Already the type of so many problems will be explained in previous classes. We have to homework that second Roman problem. I will explain in third problem. Listen. Time ఎంత అయిపోయిందా ఎంత చూడు listen students, Neha went to a sale to purchase some pants and some such. That means let the number of shirts we have to take x and also let the number of pants that we have to take y. Listen, when her friend asked her now many of each she has got, she answered అంటే వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్ అడిగింది నేను కూడా అమ్మి పెట్టొచ్చు అని. ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సట్స్ ఆర్ 2 less than 5 the number of points is purchased is given. One statement is given. What is the statement means? The number of sets are 2 less than 5 is the number of pants purchased. Listen, the number of sets are 2 less than 5 is the number of pants purchased. That means the number of sets is equal to x. 2 less than 5 is the number of points. Twice the number of points means that we have to take 2y. Less than means we have to take minus 2. That means x is equal to 2y minus 2. This we have to written as x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is make equation number 1. And also given the another statement is what is given means the number of sets are 4 less than 3 times the number of pants purchased. Problem will be mistake 3 is this is for only 4. That we have to take what is given in this one. The number of sets are 4 less than 4 times the number of points will be purchased means that we have to take x is equal to less than 4 means that we have to take minus 4. 4 times we have to take means 4y. That is x is equal to 4y minus 4. Then x minus 4y plus 4 becomes 0. This is make equation number 2. Solve both of them equations. Here first one is x minus 2y plus 2 becomes 0. Then 2y is equal to x plus 2, where y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. That means x comma y is equal to x plus 2 by 2. After we have to take the value x comma y. If you have to take some x values, then find the value of y. That means where x is equal to 0, 0 plus 2 by 2 becomes 1. That is the plotted point is 0 comma 1. After we have to take let x is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 by 2 means 4. 4 by 2 becomes 2. That we have to written as 2 comma 2. After we have to take let x is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 by 2, 6 by 2, that becomes 3. That is the point 4 comma 3. After we have to take let x is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 by 2, 8 by 2, that becomes 4. This is the given point is 6 comma 4. After we have to take the second one is x. Y is equal to x plus 4 by 4. After we have to take the point is x comma y. This we have to written as we have to take some x values, then find the value of y. There consider x is equal to 0. 0 plus 4 by 4 becomes 1. That we have to written as 0 comma 1. After we have to take x is equal to 2. 6 by 4 does not take, we have to take 4. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 by 4 becomes 2. That is the point 4 comma 2. After we have to take x is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 becomes 12. 12 by 4 becomes 3. This we have to written as 8 comma 3. After we have to take let x is equal to okay students, we have to write this one. Tomorrow I will explain remaining of this one. Okay. Hmm? Hmm?